Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks. I am Jack, and this gentleman with amazing hair is Conrad. Welcome to No Shave November.
I don't ever shave. I'm extremely excited to introduce our clinicians to a very innovative digital denture solution from Desktop Health. It's called Flexera Smile.
Conrad, seeing that we've had such great success with digital dentures for many years now, what differentiates Flexera Smile from other products?
That's a very easy one, Jack. It's extremely aesthetic and very functional, printable, monolithic tooth structure.
Ooh.
As a matter of fact, Jack, you finished the first few test cases. You do know that that rhymes.
I do.
Who wrote this?
You did.
Oh, okay. So I should actually be asking you what you thought.
Yes, Conrad, I could attest on the superb aesthetics, but more importantly, also comment on the efficiency with which a technician can finish these structures.
Jack, you and I both agree the future of our industry lies in additive technology. And this product is just another step in the right direction as part of this amazing evolution.
That's right, I cannot agree more. The main advantage behind 3D printing, and in this case the EnvisionTech printer, is the accuracy with which it produces these structures. When we mill a tooth structure, it requires a large amount of hand finishing. But with the Flexera Smile structure, when it's printed so accurately, the technician only needs to cut the struts and polish the surface.
And even with minimal hand processing, you can see the results are absolutely, pardon the pun, amazing.
Good one, I like what you did there.
Thank you.
Another advantage is the extreme strength this product offers.
That's correct, Jack. When we started this digital denture journey, we were really concerned about the strength, but more than 2,000 dentures later, I can attest to the superior strength of modern-day polymers like this Flexera Smile material.
Even though these technical factors are amazing, the clinical workflow advantages are the true game changer here.
Most definitely, our clinicians are restoring dentures in as little as 2 clinical appointments.
Good.
And if a patient should ever lose their denture, we can, in most cases, deliver a new one in 24 hours.
Pretty fast.
Doesn't matter where you are in the country.
Yeah, we're excited to also show you and your patients an amazing Flexera Smile.
Don't hesitate to contact us for more information on the new Flexera Smile. And remember to download your clinical protocol manual by scanning the QR code on the screen.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of Absolute Talks. Like and subscribe. What were you going to say?
See you later.
Oh, see you later.